Alaikum. Hello guys. Alhamdulillah. I hope all are well. Now I am going to talk about my today's activities. This is my another video. Uh, you know that this is my fifth successive day. Uh, that is called. That is also called my morning running challenge day. Alhamdulillah, I have reached my another desire line. My today's adventure is Miji station to Kajitsor by 24 minutes. That is a new adventure to me. My previous activities was 23 minutes, but my today's activities is 24 minutes. I have increased my 1 minute. That is great. That is great uh, level for me. Uh, and I hope inshallah I will do better in my next day, inshallah. Please keep me in prayers so that I may shine my forth, inshallah. Thanks Almighty Allah for giving me an opportunity.